Here is a quick tour of some search functions that are available in the Federation. Ward has a server which periodically indexes the known Federation and collects data from all of the pages it finds. That data is made accessible from the client in an interesting way. So I've chosen this page, Graceful Extensibility, because I know it's made its way around the Federation a little bit. There's a search word down at the very bottom of every page in the gray text down here. And when I click search, I get a ghost page that uses a search plugin and the server that Ward has indexing the Federation. So the classic example is, how do I find pages that link to this one? It's a page. Who else is linking to it? Well, the very first search has exactly that search. So when I click the search button, it reaches out to Ward's index server and returns all of the results that know about links to this page. There's quite a few. So there's extensibility practices, which is Wellspring fedwiki.org, and also forked on CodeWiki random bits XYZ. It shows up in Wood's criteria. It shows up in adaptive nature of 3x. And we can click a few of these to see the pages that are linking back to Graceful Extensibility. And sure enough, here's one that even copies the diagram. So that's an example of the backlink search. Quickly show the next one in these plugins. This finds other titles that are in the Federation that are similar to Graceful Extensibility. So in this case, there's two other pages out there. One's Graceful Extensibility in Code, and another one, Graceful Extensibility in Incident Response.